welcome to Amazing Living. I'm Carla. So happy you're here today. We're going to do an ab workout in the chair. We will stay seated the entire time. But to get started, let's take a couple of nice cleansing breaths. So sitting up nice and tall in mountain pose with your feet planted firmly on the floor. Your legs would be maybe a fist width and a half apart. Sit up nice and tall. Rest your hands on your thighs. Take a nice big breath in. Exhale it out. Inhaling and exhaling through our nostrils right now. Deep, big belly breath in. Raising our clavicle, opening up our shoulders on the inhale, and then exhale out through your nostrils. Allow your shoulders to relax. One more time, inhale it in. And exhale it out. On your next inhale in, take 2 sips of air in through your nostrils. Open your mouth slightly and allow your ears to hear that audible sigh so your body knows it's time to go into that parasympathetic nervous system and relax a little bit. Let's set an intention to try to stay focused on our breath as we go through our ab workout today. We're going to start with a nice slow warm up. So drop your hands down to your sides. Take a big breath in. Take your arms all the way up. Look up. Exhale, swan dive your arms forward. Bend forward. Look down at the floor. Let your fingers come to either side of your feet. Inhale, halfway lift. Take your hands to your shins or your thighs. Pull your shoulder blades together, crown of your heads facing forward, looking down at the floor. Nice active pose. And your next exhale, forward fold all the way down. And then inhale, push through your feet, really push through your feet as you slowly bring yourself up. And on your inhale, bring your hands all the way up. Exhale, take your right hand, drop it behind you in the chair behind you. We're still facing forward. And then exhale, drop your left hand down to your right knee. Push into the chair with your right hand. And on your exhale, look over your right shoulder. Flip that left palm up that's sitting on your right knee. Take a breath in. Exhale, look over the left shoulder. Turn your head to the opposite side. On your next exhale, drop your ear down to your left shoulder. Inhale it up. Exhale, look back over the right shoulder. Big breath in as both arms come all the way up. Other side, take that left hand behind you in the chair. Take your right hand to your left knee. Flip that palm up. Push into the chair with your left hand. Inhale. Exhale, twist, look over your left shoulder as you exhale it out. Big breath in. Exhale, turn your head to look over the right shoulder. Fill your lungs back up with air. On your exhale, drop that right ear down to the right shoulder. Feel that stretch in the left-hand side of your neck. Inhale it back up. Exhale, turn your head back over to the left-hand shoulder, looking over the left shoulder. One breath here. Inhale, take both arms all the way up. Exhale, drop your hands down to your sides. Excellent job, you guys. Nice big breath in. Take your arms all the way up. Look up. Exhale, drop your hands down behind you. Bend at the waist about halfway as you take your arms behind you. Inhale deeply. All the way up. Exhale deeply. Take your arms behind you. Bend at the waist. Inhale it up. And exhale your arms back down. Take your arms behind you. And this time when you inhale, come up to a neutral position. Take your feet out wide. Open your legs up. I want you to take a big breath in, take your arms all the way up, and on your exhale, reach back, grab your chair with your hands, grab the back of your chair, take a big breath in, dip yourself forward, extend your neck, look up, pull your shoulder blades together. Exhale, round your back, pull your elbows forward, open up your thoracic spine, look down at the floor. Inhale, bring yourself forward, pull your shoulder blades together as you look up. Exhale, round your back, pull your elbows forward. On your next inhale in, come all the way up, sitting up nice and tall. We're going to take a big breath in here. Open our mouth, exhale it out. Let's get ready for some ab motion here. Let's pick up our right hand, take it all the way up. Take your left hand, pull on that right hand, stretch your arm all the way up. Take a couple of breaths here. Dive yourself over towards the left hand side, pulling on that right arm, taking your left hand, pulling on your right arm. Inhale, come on back up. Take your right leg, straighten it out, nice pointed toe. Release the bind on your arm so you have your arms straight overhead. Lean over to the left hand side, and when you're ready, we're going to crunch. So take a big breath in, pick up that right knee, bend your elbows down to your right knee. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Arms come up. Legs are still open. Take a breath here. Arms are still up in the air. Take your right hand, grab your left wrist. Pull that left arm up, up, up. Take a big breath in. Exhale, lean it over to the right hand side, really opening up your left side body. Continue to give yourself a little tug on that left arm. Use your right arm to pull that left arm out. Take a big breath in. Come all the way back up. Release your bind. Straighten that left leg out. And when you're ready, we're going to lean our arms over to the right hand side. Take an inhale in and let's crunch. Bring that left knee in. Bring your elbows down to meet that left knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Excellent. Take a breath here. Take your hands down to the sides of your chair to hold on. Bring your feet back in a little bit so that they're about hip width apart. Lean back in your chair and go ahead and windshield wiper your legs. Back and forth. Release your abs a little bit. Come to it sitting up nice and tall. Let's take our feet straight out in front of us. We're going to lean back in our chair. You might, if you want to hold on to the sides of your chair for some balance, that's fine. And what we're going to do is we're going to open our legs out and in. So get yourself ready. We're going to start with our feet just hovering about that far above the ground, and we'll do 5 like that, and then we're going to lift our legs up and we're going to do 10 like that. So take a big, lean yourself back, allow your abs to catch. Nice flat back, please. Take a big breath in. Take your feet about an inch off the floor. Exhale it out. Feel those abs. Take a breath in. Open your legs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And pick your feet up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Excellent job. Take your feet about hip width apart. Hands on your thighs, and let's do some body circles, slow body circles. Go in one direction. Don't forget to breathe. And then once you find yourself back at center, go in the other direction. And come back up to center. Alrighty, we are going to do some boat pose exercises for our abs, and I'm actually going to turn my chair sideways a little bit because I want to make sure that we're doing these properly. So, in boat pose, come to the edge of your chair, and one of the biggest things, the most important thing, is that we keep a nice flat back in this pose. So that's why we're coming to the edge of our chair, so we have enough room to lean back, keep a nice flat back without having our back onto the chair, and during our workout, not collapsing our back, we'll take some breaks in between boat poses. So sit up nice and tall. Go ahead and allow yourself to lean back just until you feel your abs catch. And when you're ready, if you can take your hands down to your thighs, assist your thighs in coming up into what we call half boat. Now, if you need to hold on to the side of your chair, that's fine. Again, nice flat back. Otherwise, you can take your arms out to a T and you can hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. You might get the shakes while you're up there. That's kind of normal. I know I still do, even after all the time of practicing yoga. So one more time, lean yourself back, take a nice big breath in, lift up your legs, take your arms out to a T, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold, release. Excellent job. We're going to do just a couple of more exercises with the boat pose. I'm going to turn back around to face you so that you can see my feet. So again, sitting up nice and tall. Let's go ahead and lean back just enough to catch, nice flat back. We're going to lift our legs up and we're going to do some toe taps here. So starting with our right leg, alternate leg toe taps. Take a big breath in and exhale, right leg, left leg, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, and 10. Excellent. Come back up. Take a couple of breaths here. Our last boat pose exercise is going to be the bicycle. I'm sure most of you are familiar with the bicycle. It's a little bit more challenging to do in the chair, so you might need to hold on to the sides because you'll be moving back and forth with your legs. So sitting up nice and tall, one more time. We're going to lean back, pick up our legs, and when you're ready, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Excellent job, guys. Go ahead and take your feet out, mat width apart. Windshield wiper your legs back and forth. Release your abs a little bit. And then scoot yourself back up a little bit, not too far back. We're going to stretch our legs straight out in front of us. Flex our feet. Sit up nice and tall. Legs are together. Maybe they're fists width apart, halfway maybe. Big inhale in. And exhale. Hinge forward from your hips. Nice flat back. Reach as far down towards your feet as you can. If your hands don't touch your toes, that's fine. But keep those feet flexed. That will engage your quadriceps, help your hamstrings to release here. Take 2 breaths. On your next inhale, come up about 6 inches. Inhale. Exhale, see if you can reach just a little bit farther. Again, nice flat back still. We're reaching out. We're not rounding our lower back. On your next exhale, allow your hands to drop down to your thighs, your shins, wherever they reach. Relax your feet And go ahead and drop your head. Allow your shoulders to round, not your lower back, your upper back. And just relax for a moment. On your next inhale, slowly bring yourself back up. Go ahead and bend your knees and let's come into a mountain pose. Sitting up nice and tall. Breathing in and out. Closing down our eyes. Taking some nice deep breaths to relax after our practice. When you're ready, bring your hands to heart center in Anjali Mudra. Thank you guys so much for spending this time with me. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Let's take our thumbs to forehead center and bow as we say Namaste. Shanti, Shanti, peace.